Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook for you eggplant tomato stir fry in under 20 minutes. This is a quick and easy recipe, you'll love it. Hope you're doing well. I'll be giving you a few tips on how to caramelize onions and not to turn eggplants brown before you cook. So let's get cooking. To caramelize onions, just add a little bit of salt. Salt would dehydrate the onions and that would help in caramelizing the onions. Whenever you cook eggplants, just after you chop them, if you're making a curry, soak them in water so that they don't turn brown. But if you're making a stir fry with hardly any gravy, do not soak it in water, but just add a little bit of salt. That will remove all the moisture. So while it's cooking, I would like to thank Mary, Maxim, PEC, the Mumble Rapper, and Tina for their wonderful comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Wow, this has come out delicious. I hope you loved the video and thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.